Hey guys, so it's pretty easy to use mouse controls for your Switch 2. To this, first remove one of the Joy-Cons. Just hold the trigger. The other one you don't have to remove, that's optional. Okay, so the wrist strap is not totally necessary, but I would recommend it, just so you don't end up scratching it. To this, first just line up the colors, the orange for the right one. What you're going to do is match up the symbol right here. For the right one it's a plus and a plus. To this, just push down on the bottom. Push it on. Right here you're going to put on the strap. And it's put on the table. Just move around, you see the mouse. From here, if you want, you can use the R buttons to select stuff. Now, not all the apps do support this. The ones that do, it's usually automatic. The buttons still work though. This, for example, we're going to press home. To remove the strap, just hold down on the trigger. Thanks for watching guys, hope this helped out.